Between the good and bad, there's such a thing.